Hi everybody, this is TechNolli, and today we've got the giveaway motherboard. We're going to be giving this one away today. Remember, on the win parts on my webpage, we give away parts. We're even giving away a computer right now. So this is where 8 people came in and they did a funding for this motherboard so I could do a review on it. And then we give it away after the video. So we're going to do that. So here it is. Nice board, guys. Really, really nice. Has built-in Wi-Fi. We have to get one of those cards, though, to change it out. But this one really is just the same as the ATX version of it. The video we did the other day. It's just an ATX, and man, is it a good performer. I've got the Ryzen 9 3900 in here, so we're going to run some benchmarks on it and see how good it does. There it is. There's our memory. It's got 4 slots. I've got my Vega 56 in here right now. And of course, it works nicely. Got a little hidden NVMe right there, and it's got another slot over there for NVMe. So 2 slots. So we're good to go with that. We can put a Bluetooth card in here if we want. But there it is. So let's get this one done. Let's get her Hackintoshed and give it away. Okay, everybody, so before we get started on this motherboard, this is the motherboard on our Win Parts giveaway. And we have a new one up here now. This is a computer giveaway. This is a i5-9400 Hackintosh build. But right now, we want to give away the Gigabyte X570 Elite Wi-Fi. And these names are the names of our entries, our donators. And what we're going to do, this is the website we go where this website picks the random winner. So let's find out who's going to win this thing. All right, there's our participants. We're going to have one winner. And let's get started and see who wins this beautiful motherboard. Go. All right, coming down to it. Larry G is the winner. Larry G. Congratulations, Larry. We're going to get this motherboard out to you, and we will send you an email confirmation. And I really appreciate everybody joining this Win Parts contest. It was a lot of fun. Really appreciate it. All right, so what do you say we get into this board and just see how well it did as a Hackintosh motherboard? Okay, guys, so here we go. Now, what's cool about this board is, if you remember this video we did the other day, this is on the X570i Gigabyte Pro Wi-Fi. Well, this is the regular ATX X570 Gigabyte, but it is the Elite Wi-Fi, and the same EFI folder, the same process will work on this motherboard as in this video. So, if you want to get this board, check it out, check out this video, and you'll have everything you need to get it up and running. And I am running the Ryzen 9 3900X on this, and I want to show you guys some benchmarks. Whoa. Let's get started on this. All right, let's run Geekbench. Now, you remember, if you watch my last video on the Intel i9 9900K, I said I'm going to start keeping track of these different benchmarks so we can see and compare these different motherboards with the same processor. So what I want to do is I want to do a lot of different motherboards with the Ryzen 9 and see if there's any performance difference between these motherboards. Because that's what we want. You know, we want to buy the best motherboard for the buck that is going to give us the highest performance. All right? So I'm using 3200 megahertz RAM on this. And this is the Ryzen 9 3900. Let's see what this thing benchmarks. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's see where we're at. 1332. 1332 and oh my god, 12450. Okay, just to give you an idea, the i9 9900K we did just the other day on that Asus board was 1269 for a single score and 9168 on a multi. Let's see what this compares to. Oh, yeah. So we're way above anything that is scored right here on singles. This is 1245. We're at 1332. So we're way above a Mac Pro from 2019, the standard, you know, one that comes with, or the, well, I don't know if that's the base model or not. That says 24 cores. Let's look at multi. All right, 12450. Wow. Okay, so we're above a Mac Pro from 2019, a 12-core, and we're just under an iMac Pro 18-core. Wow, that is impressive. That is impressive. What do you guys think? Let's get on to, let me see here. Let's get on to Cinebench. All right, applications, Cinebench. Not going to have anything running in the background. Nope. Okay, let's go. Now, if you guys have ever done a Cinebench test, you know how fast this is. You know that this is really fast. I just have an NVMe, a Sabrent drive in here, nothing special, and I got my Radeon Vega 56 graphics card in here, and the fans aren't even spinning on it. So the only thing that's spinning right now is that CPU fan. It's clocked up pretty good. Okay, let's see what we come down to. 7350. Oh my god. The i9 9900K was 4796. So this is just under a Xeon E7 4890. It says 60 cores, 120 threads. Well, it's quite a bit under it, but there's nothing that really compares to it. We're above this Threadripper, and this is a Ryzen 9 3900 12-core processor, 7350. That is pretty amazing. Wow. I like these Ryzens. I got it. Jeez, that's unbelievable. All right. Now, I just wanted to show you something that's kind of funny. It says right up here, it says, get to know your Mac. Take a quick tour to learn more about your new iMac Pro. Show. Let's see. Oh, so Apple decided this is the computer that I have running right now. Well, that's nice. Mine doesn't quite look like that, but very impressive, I would say. Yeah, these Ryzens, guys, they're massive processors. They really are. I mean, they're even cheaper than an i9. We just have to work on getting Adobe stuff to work properly, because I know you guys are nervous about that. So I'm going to try to do some research on that and see if there is just a fix that will just take care of any of those issues, so we don't have to be so nervous about it. Because I know you guys that are doing video editing, you want to be able to play around with the Ryzen, but you're nervous about the problem with Adobe products. But there you go. Now, you do see what I have right here? I have a little red with a number 1. And guess what it wants to do? It wants to do the 10.15.4 supplemental update. Let's see if it works. I've done a couple of these on other systems, and it does work. But let's see if this one works. And I want to show you guys something. When you get up to the picker again, you don't choose your hard drive, okay? Let me show you. Okay. So it started a little bit, then went to a black screen. It's obviously rebooting. Okay guys, so when it comes up to here, you want to choose macOS installer, okay? You don't want to go to your hard drive because it won't finish the update. So click on macOS installer and it'll go back to the update. It's kind of like it's reinstalling the software again at a certain point. If you remember when we're installing your software for the first time and then it reboots and it says, you know, I say in the videos you have to pick macOS installer. This is kind of like the same process for the update. See, it just acts like the first reboot on the install. And then it'll give you this estimated time remaining. And once it gets through with this, it's done. 26 minutes remaining, but it's not. And there, it just rebooted again. It didn't even get to the end. It said there was about, I don't know, about 9 or 10 minutes left, something like that. So let's see what happens here. Okay, now up there it's just showing my hard drive, so let's see if the update worked. Okay, we're coming up. Let's see what happened, guys. It got stuck heavy on a couple lines, and now we're back on the Apple logo. And it's still finishing, so this will be the second reboot. It says 10 minutes remaining. Okay, it says 2 minutes remaining. And this does take what it says on the screen. Okay, it says less than a minute remaining, so let's see if it's going to be successful. Now this is just the supplementary update for Catalina 10.15.4. This is not Catalina 10.15.3 to 4. That one we have tested, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And looky here, let's log in. Okay, your Mac is up to date, so it didn't fail. That took quite a bit of time to get done, guys. I edit the screens, so it was not as long as doing a full install, but it was pretty long. So there we go. Let's just reboot it and make sure that there's not a problem with the boot. I don't want you guys to have any problems with yours. And if this build is good, then you'll be able to feel comfortable using it, and you'll be able to do at least this update if you need to. Okay, let's see. We have success getting back in without any issues. And the reason that I keep my verbose screen on is because I want to see if there's any errors. You know, you guys can turn that off if you want. Looks like it's going to boot up, so yeah, supplemental update is good to go. So there we go, guys. Another great Hackintosh motherboard. I would not be afraid of this one at all. Gave us great performance on this Ryzen 9 3900X. So nice board, good performance, and feel free to buy it up. All right? I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and please subscribe. There's 80% of you guys that are watching my videos that are not subscribed. So go ahead and hit the subscribe and the bell button, and you'll get notified the next time I do a video, which is about 3 times a week. And I really appreciate you visiting, and we'll see you on the next one.